Once you click the link, you will see on the screen something like this one. So the first thing you need to do, you click English. So wait for the software to load, and then once the software has been loaded on your computer, you will see in the side toolbar there is a icon look like this. We call it calligraphy, but for drawing we didn't use this one. We have to change to pencil. So you have to click this icon and go to this drop down list and choose pencil, and see at the below, make sure the size of your pencil could be 5 or 10 or maybe 8. So just type 8, or you can adjust here, and in this window it show you how big the size of the pencil is. So let's say we choose 6px, and then this one for the color you can choose any color you want, but for this I choose black. And then start drawing your shape or object of the tree such as shown in the attached picture. So start drawing the tree. So if you don't like this drawing, for this software there is not have a function like eraser, but you can undo the drawing by click this icon, and will undo your drawing, and you can try again until you get the tree you want. So you draw the tree, and maybe a little grass here, and then maybe a little bit flower here. Maybe a little bit leaf. Okay, so once you're done drawing, maybe some root, and you're done drawing, you take this picture of this drawing and submit to the comment below. If you have any problem, please let me know in private message or reply to the comment.